everybody, it's Bridgett Harrison. I hope you guys are having a great start to the new year. One of my goals is to get in front of the camera more, so you make sure you hold me to that. But for now, we're just going to talk about this cut. I want to get it up here. So Ivana called, she wants to get into the salon, like, Bridgett, it's new year, I need something different. She had been wearing some wigs and weaves and hadn't relaxed her hair in a while, so I was like, well, come on in, let's make some things happen. So what we did was, prior to me relaxing her hair, I did cut some of the length off in the back so I can make sure the nape area will be properly relaxed, because you know that's the most important part. Like the top area, you know, if it didn't break down or whatever, it would have been cool, but I needed that nape area to be straight. And for that, the reason is because of her mold. The mold is the most important thing. So, you know, when you're wearing a pixie or short style, depending on the texture of the hair, you need a relaxer. Now, if you have that hair that you don't have to relax, it's cool, but 90% of people I know need a relaxer. Me, I'm the stylist that's like, hey, you gotta have a relaxer. Anyway, so we mold her, I cut her, you know, after she was dry, I checked her cut and everything, and the goal was just to give her finger style, something she could really do when she wasn't in the salon, and something that's easy to maintain. You know, the most important thing is the cut. So we did the pixie. I'm using, I think, my Glam Pro flat iron to curl her. I go between that and my Babyliss, and you know, that's all we did. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be doing more this year, a lot more monthly. You know, make sure you subscribe. And for the makeup details, oh my god, for the makeup, I might make a video, I'm not for sure, but anyways, go to my Instagram, Bridgett Harrison _hair_MUA, and I have all the details of what I've used. Make sure you subscribe, and make sure you check out bridgetth.com. Thank you guys.